Buckle up, because Tesla just dropped a bombshell that's about to shake up the world of electric vehicles. The long-awaited Tesla Model 2, priced at an unbelievable $15,990, is now open for pre-orders, and it's hitting the production line at the Fremont factory. No glitzy launch, no grand speech from Elon Musk, just a quiet rollout that's got everyone buzzing. This compact crossover is poised to make EVs accessible to millions, but with limited pre-orders and a silent CEO, the stakes are sky high. Let's dive into what makes this car a game-changer, how Tesla slashed cost to hit that jaw-dropping price, and why Musk's hush-hush approach has us all intrigued. Tesla's never been about playing it safe. From the Cybertruck's armored shell to the self-driving cybercab, they've redefined what cars can do. The Model 2 is their boldest move yet, a budget-friendly EV that doesn't skimp on the Tesla DNA. Forget the $25,000 price tag that once seemed ambitious. At $15,990, this rear-wheel drive compact crossover undercuts even the fiercest competition, like BYD's $10,000 EVs. It's a direct shot at making electric driving a reality for the masses, and it's happening right now at Fremont, where camouflaged prototypes have been spotted tearing up test tracks. So, what's the Model 2 all about? Picture a sleek, minimalist crossover, about 20% smaller than the Model 3, with clean lines and a modern vibe that screams Tesla without trying too hard. No flashy details here, just smooth curves, a continuous light bar, and streamlined wheels that echo the Model 3's aesthetic. It's got 4 doors for practical access and seats 5 comfortably, but don't expect luxury trimmings. The cabin is all about function, a 12-inch touchscreen, downsized from the Model 3's 15.4-inch, unventilated seats, and cost-effective materials keep it lean. This isn't about indulgence. It's about delivering a solid EV experience at a price that'll make you do a double take. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Model 2 packs a 53 kilowatt-hour battery, likely using Tesla's groundbreaking aluminum-ion technology. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, these use aluminum ions to carry 3 times the charge per ion, boosting energy density to a staggering 700 watt-hours per kilogram. What does that mean? A potential range of 600 to 700 miles in ideal conditions, though real-world estimates peg it at a still impressive 250 miles for the base model. A long-range version might hit 280 miles, but expect to pay closer to $28,000 for that. Either way, at this price, 250 miles is a steal. Most EVs under $30,000 can't touch that. Charging is another win. Tesla claims the Model 2 can hit 80% charge in just 10 minutes under perfect conditions, though 20 minutes is more realistic. That's still leagues ahead of competitors, who often take 30 to 45 minutes for the same charge. The battery's not just about range, it's about affordability. At roughly half the cost of the car, the 53 kilowatt-hour pack is designed for safety, longevity, and fast charging, perfectly aligning with the Model 2's mission to democratize EVs. How does Tesla pull off this price? It's all about efficiency. The Fremont factory leverages existing Model 3 and Y production lines, while the GigaPress casts the frame in one piece, cutting hundreds of welds and slashing costs. By using simpler materials and a stripped-down feature set, no rear seat screens, no ambient lighting, minimal physical buttons, Tesla keeps things lean. The software-centric design, with most controls on the central touchscreen, allows for over-the-air updates, keeping the car fresh without pricey hardware. Plus, the shift to aluminum-ion batteries, which ditch expensive rare earth materials, is a game-changer. These batteries are cheaper to produce and scale better than the 4,680 cells reserved for high-end models like the Cybertruck. The tech doesn't stop there. The Model 2 introduces a 48-volt low-voltage architecture, a leap forward from the 12-volt systems in older EVs. This setup boosts efficiency, reduces wiring weight, and cuts costs, all while supporting Tesla's signature tech, like autopilot for assisted driving. It's not trying to outshine the Model S or Cybertruck. It's built to outvalue every other budget EV, delivering range, tech, and brand trust at a price that's hard to beat. But here's the catch. Pre-orders are tightly limited by region, and once the cap is hit, the window slams shut. Tesla's playing it coy, with no official word on how many slots are available. Internal sources suggest the order books opened in Q3 2025, with deliveries set for November or early Q4, just in time to snag expiring tax credits. The Fremont factory is gearing up for a massive 10,000 units per week once production hits full stride, thanks to its vertically integrated setup. This isn't just a car launch, it's a strategic move to capture pent-up demand and dominate the budget EV market. So why the silence from Elon Musk? Unlike Tesla's usual fanfare, the Model 2's rollout was a stealth move, no keynote, no hype. Some speculate Musk's keeping quiet to manage expectations, especially after years of delays and scrapped plans for a budget Tesla. Others think it's a tactical play to avoid tipping off competitors like BYD, who are nipping at Tesla's heels with ultra-cheap EVs. BYD's $10,000 models and 40% sales surge in 2024 have put pressure on Tesla, especially in China, where Tesla's sales dipped. Musk's focus seems to be on action, not words, letting the Model 2's price and tech speak for themselves. The road ahead isn't without bumps. Tesla's gross margins dropped to 16.3% in Q1 2025, a sign of the heavy investment in next-gen manufacturing and price cuts to stay competitive. Global trade tensions, like 25% tariffs on auto parts and 125% on Chinese imports, could add $2,000 to $3,000 per car. About 30% of Tesla's components come from Mexico, and any policy shift could strain costs. Battery production in the U.S. is pricier than in China, $140 to $165 million per gigawatt hour versus $110 million, putting pressure on that $15,990 price. Inflation and labor costs don't help. If these trends hold, Tesla might bump the price to $18,000 or $20,000 within 12 to 18 months of launch, projected for late 2025 to mid-2027. Still, Tesla's got a buffer. With $36 billion in cash reserves, they can absorb short-term losses to lock in market share. The upcoming Michigan battery plant, set to open in 2026, will localize production and cut reliance on overseas suppliers, stabilizing costs. Unlike BYD, Tesla's banking on brand loyalty and tech prowess. Think full self-driving and seamless software updates to win in Western markets, where innovation often trumps price. The Model 2 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's Tesla saying EVs aren't just for the elite. With a range that rivals pricier models, charging that outpaces the competition, and a price that undercuts almost everyone, it's poised to redefine what budget EVs can be. By November 2025, when the first deliveries roll out, we'll see if Tesla can deliver on this promise. For now, the Model 2 is proof that Musk's vision of an EV for everyone is finally taking shape, and it's coming in hot.